Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make mushroom and chicken in pasta sauce, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So for my ingredients, I'll be using fettuccine pasta, chopped onions, butter, ginger, all-purpose seasoning, bacon, sausages, chicken breast fillets, some garlic, mozzarella cheese, black peppercorns, mushrooms, and also thickened cream. So to begin with, I'll marinate my chicken breast fillets with the all-purpose seasoning and I'll set it aside. And I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. I'll now cover it with a cling foil. And to my saucepan, I'm going to boil about 3 cups of water, and then I'll add the pasta. So I'll be cooking the pasta for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll add some salt to it. So after 5 to 10 minutes, the pasta is done. And to another separate saucepan, I'll add some oil, and I'll be frying the chicken breast fillets. So I'll also fry the chicken breast fillet for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's well cooked. So it's now cooked, and I'll set it aside. And for the chicken stock, I'll set it aside and use it later. So now I'll be melting the butter. And to it, I'll add the ginger and the garlic. So I'll give it a stir, and I'll also add the chopped onions. I'll now add the bacons. And also the sausages. So the sausages and the ginger is optional. You can decide to add it.
I'll
I'll now go ahead and add the mushrooms. Now let it cook for about a few minutes. Now I'll go ahead and add the thickened cream. And also the chicken stock. Now also add the chicken breast fillets. And also the black peppercorns and the mozzarella cheese. Now I'm going to let it simmer on the low heat until it's nice and creamy. So I'll now add the pasta. So now I'll give it a quick stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Now our mushroom and chicken pasta in pasta sauce is all done, and it tastes very delicious, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up and also like and subscribe. So I'm going to dish it out, and I'm going to have a taste. It tastes so good. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.